In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft. If you have a look, if you press F3, you can see that Minecraft is using only 2 GB of RAM, and that's by default, and it doesn't matter how much RAM you have because Minecraft will only use 2. So let's see how can we fix that. Well, first you'll have to close the Minecraft for now and go to installations, and now here you will locate all the Minecraft versions which you have. This is the default and this is Minecraft 2 shader which I installed. Select one which you'd like to allocate more RAM. As an example, let's choose this one, and now select edit and now press on more options, and down here you can locate XMX2G, which means only 2 GB. We can easily allocate more gigabytes. If we edit the text from here, we can allocate 4, 8, 10 or even 100. Why not? If you have enough RAM you can do it. Now you can press on save, and that was it. If you want to check how much RAM you have, you can go to Windows search bar and search for system specifications, and inside here you can locate how much RAM you have. For default vanilla Minecraft you can easily allocate like 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, or if you're playing a modded Minecraft, you'll have to allocate more RAM, like 8, 10 now, depending on the mod pack. However, after you edit the XMX text, you can hit play. And once you are in the game, you can see that everything loads extremely fast. And if you hit F3 now, you can see that Minecraft is not only using 2 GB, but all the gigabytes I give it to it. So this is how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft. I hope it helped, and thank you a lot for watching.